As you already know, we are doing fractions, decimals and percentage, which you can see here. And last time we did fraction, decimal, percent part 2, and that is finished. And next topic that we have, which is also the last topic of 1.5, that is called fraction as operators. So let us check what is there in this topic. So we are going to start fraction as operators. The topic name is fraction as operators, and here you can see objectives: finding the fraction of numbers and amounts, performing calculations where the fraction has a numerator greater than 1, solving simple word problems involving fractions. So the first thing that we have to do is, one second, we have learned that to find a fraction we need to divide. That we have already learned. And then to find 1 by 5 of 10 cakes, we need to divide the cakes into 5 groups. These are 10 cakes and you need to divide them into 5 groups. So 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group and 5 group. So each group contains 2. Each group contains 2 cakes. 1 by 5 of 10 is 2. We divide the amount by the denominator of the fraction. That is 10 divided by 2, or 10 times 1 by 5. We can also write this as 1 by 5 times 10. 1 by 5 of 10 is 2. That means 1 by 5 times 10. You remember, of is replaced by times, multiplication sign. The word of here tells us we need to multiply. So 1 by 5 of 10 equal to 1 by 5 times 10. Here is another one to try. 1 by 9 of 27. What should that be? 1 9 of 7 should be 3. To get the answer, we just divide 27 by 9 and we get the answer is 3. We can write this as 1 by 9 times 27 equal to 3. Now let's look at questions that involves unit of measures, like 1 by 7 of 21 centimeter. 1 by 7 of 21 centimeter means 1 by 7 times 21. So 21 divided by 7, that should give you. We can use the same method as before to answer this question. We just have to remember that we need to find a seventh of 21, not just 21. First write the question. 1 by 7 times 21, and then 21 divided by 7 is 3 centimeter. Remember to include the unit centimeter here, because this is 21 centimeter, so you have to include the unit also. So 1 by 7 of times 21 centimeter becomes 3. Not 3, it will be 3 centimeter. Next is answer these number problems. 1 by 4 of 36. That will be how much? 36 divided by 4 is 9. 72 divided by 8 is also 9 pounds. That is 9 centimeter. Here 9 pounds. Here 7 kg. And here 6 days. So you have to be careful and write the units also. Mark it. So that is all correct. Now what is next? How do we find a fraction of a number or amount when the fraction has a numerator greater than 1? So in this case, here we have 3 by 5 instead of 1 by 5. So it is greater than 1. Numerator is not 1 now, it is 3. This can be written as 3 by 5 times 15 pounds. And 15 pounds divided by 5 will give you 3, and that 3 has to be timed with 3, and so our final answer would be 9. So here I have taken few examples to explain you where in all these examples you will find numerators greater than 1. So 3 by 5 of 15 pounds, you can write it as 3 by 15, and for 15 pounds you can write 15 and 1 at the denominator, and then cancel. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 50. So you are getting 3 and 3 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator. So that is 9 by 1, which is equal to 9 pounds. In the similar way, 4 by 7 of 35 is 4 by 7 times 35, 1 and 5. So that will give you 5 times 4, 20 centimeter. And 5 by 6 of 36 liters, that means you cancel it, you get 6 times 5, that is, you can cancel here also, 6 times 5, so that is 30 liters. And this is how these type of questions can be done. In the next slide there are few questions. You can very easily solve all of them. So that is your homework. Come to this, divide 30 into the given fractions. So 2 by 6 of 2 by 6 is divide 30 into the given fractions. What does it want to say? What multiplied by this gives you 30? So 30 times, just a minute. So I think you have to think of a number that should come here, so that after solving you get this answer. So I will show you. 2 by 6 is 180. So does it mean to say 2 by 6 times 180, and that will give you, sorry, this has to be 90, because yes, this has to be 90, because 90 divided by 6 is 15, and 2 times 15 is 30. Similarly, 1 by 2, so 60 divided by 2 is 30. That is how you will have to answer. Here you have 1 by 6, so I think you have to write 180, because 180 divided by 6 is 30. In a similar way, you have to draw all these questions. If I click mark it, it is not telling me. Probably I have to do all the questions. So do rest of the question in the similar way. That will be your homework, and let me know what answer you got. Next part is, we know that finding a fraction of an amount is simple when the numerator of the fraction is 1. Okay, we just divide the amount by the numerator. This means that to find the 1/10, 1 by 10 of any number or amount, we just divide by 10. Yes, if you have to find the 1/10 of any number, 1/10 of 100, so divide 100 by 10. What is 1/10 of 70 kg? So divide 70 by 10. This is same as 70 by 10, that is 7 kg. So 1/10 of 70 is 7 kg. What about numbers that are not easily divisible by 10? Like 1 by 10 of 73 kg. So you have to divide 73 by 10, and you may remember that to divide a number by 10 we can move each digit to one place to the right. So this decimal is here, this has to be moved one place to the right. It should come here. This decimal should come here. So move one place to the left, I think, but I don't know why he has written right, but let me see what it says. Oh, digits are to be moved. Okay, instead of decimal being moved, the digits are being moved. It's okay, but just you understand that decimal has to be in between 7 and 3. Okay, so we have 7.3. 73 divided by 10 is 7.3. To find 1/100th of any number or amount, just divide by 100. What is 9,000 liters by 1,000? Okay, I will explain you all these on my whiteboard. It will be, suppose you have to find 9,000 by 100. There are two zeros. What I taught you, 9,000 has decimal here. This decimal has to be moved 2 places to the left. So 1 place, 2 place. So decimal has to come here. That means now the answer would be 90.0 or 90. Similarly, if you have 5, 6, 7, 5 divided by 100, then that would be 5, 6, 7, 5, and decimal from here has to be moved 2 places to the left. So 1 place, 2 place. So decimal will come here. So final, and this will go away. So answer would be 56.75. Similarly, if you have to divide any number by say 1000, 6557 by 1000. So again you write the number 6557, point is here in the extreme right, and it has to be moved to number of zeros 3. So 3 places to the left, 1 place, 2 place, 3 place. Decimal has to come from here to here. So new number would be 6.557. This is easy method and easy to understand. You just learn this method only. Then suppose I ask you 57 divided by 10. So write 57, decimal is here. 57 means 57.0 or just 57. Decimal is of every whole number, decimal is always at the first place. So count the number of zeros. So move 1 place. There is just 1 0, so 1 place to the left. So after 1 digit place the decimal. So answer would be 5.7. Now suppose if you have a number 59 divided by 1000. In this case, what will you do? You will write just 59 and decimal is here. You have to count 3 digits, 1, 2, and third digit is missing, so put a 0 and put this decimal from here to here. You have to make it 3 digits. So your answer would be 0.059. That will be the answer. Hope my explanations so far are clear. Rest of the things I will explain in next video.